check out these two Thundercats toys. We've got the Mutant Nosediver, open box, but it's complete in its original box from 1985 and also from 1985 Mumm-Ra, mint on card. This is a very rare figure, one of the first that was created for Thundercats, also 1985.
Half human, half animal. Thunder, 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 thunder. Thundercats, Mumm-Ra and Lion-O, each sold separately.
I'm Mumm-Ra, want the sword of Gundera.
With this secret power ring, battery not included, you can make Lion-O's eyes light up. With Battlematic action, you control their swords.
The sword is mine, Lion-O. That's what you think, Mumm-Ra. Thunder, Thundercats.
So both toys are from LJN Toys 1985 and they are in the shop today.